Welcome to Moko Loko TV. Make sure to subscribe for more videos.
Hi kids! Today we're going to learn about different types of cats and its name. Here we go. Tabby. Tabby. Bengal cat. Bengal cat. Domestic short hair. Domestic short hair. British short hair. British short hair. Oriental long hair. Oriental long hair. American bobtail. American bobtail. Bambino. Bambino. Sphinx. Sphinx. Berman. Berman. Snowshoe. Snowshoe. Munchkin cat. Munchkin cat. Kha Omani. Kha Omani. Abyssinian. Abyssinian. Turkish fan. Turkish fan. Cymric. Cymric. Have you fun, kids? Please click subscribe for more learning and fun. See you in the next video. Bye.
Make sure to subscribe for more videos. Bye bye.